Hi, let's work on this compare method. The compare method for sorting. Okay, in this method, I'm going to show you how you can compare numbers and alphabets safely and produce predictable results. Okay, unlike the previous methods of sort that we were using, it was not easy to sort numbers that were ranged from 100, 40 to 1, 5. It would only compare the first character of the entire number, and then that was the end of the story. And the output was not very accurate. It was incorrect and unpredictable. All right, we don't want such results on our website. All right, let's begin this program. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, and open up the paragraph tag and say click the buttons to sort the array alphabetically or numerically. Okay, so this is like one size fits all. It's like a solution to a lot of problems that we faced with the sort method. Now you're going to create two buttons. Button on click is equal to my function 1. Right? We're going to create two buttons, and each button is associated with its own function. Sort alphabetically. Right? And I'm not going to bother with the spelling right now. I just want to get the syntax and the logic correct. All right, just when I said the syntax correct, I made a mistake. No problem. All right, let's work on the next button. Button on click is equal to my function 2. Okay, and sort numerically. Okay, and close the button tag. All right, open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo. Okay, and close the paragraph tag. And in the script, you're going to call the demo. Okay, var points. Now create the points here. Points is equal to 40, comma 100, comma 1, comma 5, comma 25, and 10. Close the square bracket. Document dot, there's another spelling here, that's fine. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to points. Okay, function my function 1. Okay, open up the curly bracket and say points dot sort semicolon. Okay, hit the tab. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to points. Okay, function my function, open up the curly bracket and say with the tab please, points dot sort function a comma b, and return in a curly bracket return a minus b. So that's the comparison formula that we know of. Okay, and semicolon, hit tab again and say document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to points. Close the curly bracket and close the script tag and close the body tag, close the html tag. All right, awesome. Let's save this file as file, save as. I know there's no compare here, but just hang on, I want to show you something. And also save it as HTML. Alright, and the file is right here. Click the buttons to sort the array alphabetically or numerically. Okay, sort alphabetically 1, 10, 100, 25, 45. Wrong. Okay, and let's refresh and sort numerically 1, 5, 10, 25, 40, 100. So what did you do in the second button? In the second button, in the first button you just hit the sort, okay, and only the first character was evaluated. In the second button, what you did was you compared a comma b and then returned a minus b. You did the entire comparison. Okay. Now let's do some other way of comparing and sorting. Okay. Before I move on, this is something that you need to take away with you at the end of this video. This is how you compare. This is the compare function. This is how you compare two numbers with each other. Okay. So using just the sort method and then passing a variable to the sort method, a variable that compares, okay, an argument that compares two numbers is much better than just using the sort without any arguments. Just remember that. Okay. There is another example here that I want to explain you, and that's called sorting randomly. Okay, have you ever heard of this term math.random? Okay, this is one of the most common methods that we use to sort, and we're going to use that in this example. All right, let's begin typing. Say doc type HTML. Okay. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, open up the paragraph tag and say click the button, okay, again and again to sort the array in random order. Okay, and button on click is equal to my function, and we just have one button here, so just one function, and say try it. Okay, and then as usual open up another paragraph and declare the id is equal to demo, and close this paragraph tag please. Open up the script tag and say var points is equal to 40, 100, 1, 5, 25 and 10. Okay, and in the next line hit enter and say document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to points. Okay, function, my function, open up the curly bracket, hit enter, tab and say points dot sort function a comma b curly bracket return 0.5 minus math dot random. Okay, just remember these are the functions that you need to memorize if you want to use them. Have them written up and stuck next to your desktop workstation so that you can refer to it regularly. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to points close the curly bracket, open up the script tag, close the script tag, and let's shift this on the new line, yes, and close the body tag and close the HTML tag. Yes, I know, I can see it. Missing hashtag. Alright, no problem. Let's save this file as file, save as file. Alright, save and also save the file as .html. Okay. Alright, perfect. Let's open up this program. Click the button again and again to sort the array in random order. Okay, all of these are random, and the formula used to generate these random numbers is this one. Function a b return 0.5 minus mat.random. Okay, this is the main game player here. And if you want to refresh, you can try this again. Try it. Try it. Try it. Mat.random is a function available in JavaScript libraries where the browser will access this function again and again and rearrange these numbers randomly again and again. Okay, so there's nothing that you did or I did in this program to create this kind of combination here, and the function called by the button is prefabricated pre-made function, the mat.random. Okay, let's work on a few more examples in JavaScript array sort. Okay, when we are talking about sort, we cannot go without sorting numbers from highest to lowest and lowest to highest. So here's a program that helps you sort numbers from highest to lowest. Okay, this keeps getting interesting. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, open up the paragraph tag, and say the highest number is span ID is equal to demo. Okay, close the span tag and close the paragraph tag. Let me explain you what this does. Okay, the reason why you use the span tag here is because span tag is used to group inline elements. It does not create any physical or visual change to the program. Rather than it helps in creating grouping elements together. All right. So moving on, you will see what it does. Script. Open up the script tag and say var points is equal to 40, 100, 1, 5, 25, and 10. Okay, and points dot sort function a comma b, that's the basic sorting function here, and curly bracket return b minus a. Okay, so this is going to be sorted inversely. Okay, documents dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to points square bracket. Okay, and close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. Alright, perfect. Let's save this file as file, save as, 6, and also as html dot html. And let's find this file here. The highest number is 100. That's what it helped you sort, because remember, we didn't create any button or anything. It's just going to input the whole thing, right? The highest number is 100. Points, sort the points and display the point. Let me show you the lowest number, how you do the lowest number, then this is going to make even more sense. Okay friends, let's get started for sorting from highest to lowest. Display the lowest number. Okay, doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, open up the paragraph tag and say the lowest number is span ID is equal to demo. Okay, and close the span tag, close the paragraph tag. Alright, and then open up the script tag and say var points is equal to 40, 100, 1, 5, 25, 10, and close the square bracket and open up and say points dot sort. Again, enter the comparing functions here, argument to compare, and compare a comma b, and also return a minus b. Okay, document dot get element by id, demo dot inner html is equal to points. Okay, and close the script tag, which means you need to move the lowest number to the first position of the array and display it. Okay, and close the body tag and also close the HTML tag, and let's save this file as save as the 7th example of array sort, also as html dot html, and let's run this file. Lowest number is 1. There you go. And the magic of this function, return the lowest number, a minus b. The first one was b minus a, and the points array is supposed to be displayed, but only the first member is supposed to be displayed. Okay, which is 1. Shift this to the first position. That's what he just did. Alright. Okay, let's end this video here because I want to talk to you about sorting objects in the next video, and also give you some kind of examples for assignments before we move on to the next video series, next topic. So let's move on to the next video, and in the next video we're going to complete the JavaScript array sort methods. The last method that we're going to work on is the how you can sort objects. Alright, see you shortly.